It was a very cold day in Glasgow, but the cold didn't bother us. We bundled up and took our bike to check out the whole city. We saw modern buildings and old ones too. These two cool buildings are the science worlds. We didn't really go in, but we still have fun there. This is Kelvingrove Art Gallery and Museum. This is one of Scotland's most famous museums. It is like a dinosaur museum, a history museum, and all the kinds of museums in one. This is a painting by Vincent van Gogh. Christ of St. John the Cross is a painting by Salvador Dali made in 1951. The next day we visited Edinburgh. It was a beautiful sunny day. We went for a bike ride around Holyrood Park. Sometimes I get tired, and my dad pushes me up the hill. We locked up our bikes so we can go hiking Arthur's Seat, which is now an extinct volcano. At the top of Arthur's Seat, we could see the whole city. It was so windy there that I almost fell down from the wind.
You want me to take the backpack?
We are now on our way to visit Edinburgh Castle. Here we also saw a lot of bagpipers. These churches are so old that they're older than any church in Canada. On our way to Inverness, we saw a few nice little Scottish villages. We saw a lot of cows and lambs as well. My parents also visited some Scotch distilleries. Modern day castle place?
Inverness.
This red sandstone building is Inverness Castle, built in 1836 for defensive structure. Today it houses Inverness Sheriff Court. This is one of the coolest town halls I've ever seen. River Ness is a river from the northern end of Loch Ness in Scotland. Now we're driving through Loch Ness, which is best known for the legend of Nessie. Driving through Isle of Skye looks like we are driving through Grassmore National Park. Donan Castle is one of the most recognized castles in Scotland, built in 1220. We stopped by this little fishing town to have fish and chips. My parents had haggis, which was the Scottish traditional food. We are now on our way to hike Old Man of Store.
You ready for it?
Oh, and did I mention, these rocks are huge. They can also be seen miles away. It wasn't easy making it to the top, but when we got to the top, we forgot all about the pain because the view was so nice. You know, going up is really hard, but going down was the best part. Friendship is like whiskey, the older the better. Too much of anything is bad, but too much of good whiskey is barely enough. In London, we met some of our old friends from Vancouver. First, we went to Royal Air Force Museum.
And I'll hit you in the neck up and then you'll die. No, I'm not getting close anymore.
Next, they cooked us a great dinner.
So much
I'll go first. Come on. I wanted you guys to.
We'll take you on adventures. See you next time. Bye.